Today we are going to work with matrices in GeoGebra. Just open the spreadsheet and CAS. Just open CAS Computer Algebra System. Okay. So now, most of the simple computations matrices can be done using this spreadsheet. I want to input a matrix. Just type here. Type now select this, then go to create, put matrix. So the matrix is created here. So right click and you can change the name of the matrix as matrix A. You can input another matrix. So select and create matrix. So this is how you create a matrix here. Now let us take a 2 by 2 matrix. 2, 3. So to just input the matrix, you just type here. Now select this, right click, create matrix. So rename the matrix, rename it as A. Matrix A. Take another matrix, 5, 6. So just select it, right click, create matrix. Now change the name of the matrix, matrix B. Now you have to, these are the two matrices. Most of the fundamental matrix operations have some commands. So let us first write, we'll put it, first let us find the determinant of this. Determinant, just write the command determinant of the matrix A. Minus 2. See, it is 10. 5 into 2, 10. Minus 12. It is minus 2. Determinant matrix B. 18 minus 20. So this is how we find the determinant. Now you can find the inverse. Invert bracket matrix A. So this is the inverse of the matrix A. So you know to find the inverse, find the adjoint and then divide by the determinant. Interchange these two will become 5 and change the sign, minus 3, minus 4, 2, then divide by minus 2. So you get minus 5 by 2, this will become plus 3 by 2, 2 and minus 1. Suppose I want to find transpose. Transpose of matrix A or B. Find the transpose of the matrix. So transpose means interchange rows and columns. So 3, 5, the first column became the first row. The second row became the second column. This is how you find the transpose. One more thing is the reduced row echelon form of the matrix A. So this is the reduced echelon form. This is an invertible matrix. That is why we are getting it as an identity matrix here. So then you can find, we can add or multiply. Suppose if I want to multiply two matrices A asterisk B, that will give you the product of these two matrices. A plus B. A plus B is the sum of these two matrices. Suppose if I want to multiply by a constant 5 into matrix A. So the matrix A is multiplied by 5. Suppose it is 3A plus 2B. That will give you 3, multiply this by 3 and then multiply this by 2, add, you get this. So these are the basic operations, basic syntax we use. Similarly, you can do this for a 3 by 3 also. So select this, right click, create matrix. So you can rename the matrix as matrix C. Take it as C now. Give another matrix. Rename this as matrix D. So now you can find the determinant matrix D or C, matrix C. So it is 0. The determinant of the matrix C is 0. Determinant of matrix D is minus 70. Then you can find the reduced row echelon form, of the matrix C. So this is the reduced row echelon form of the matrix C. From here we got this. From here we can say the rank of the matrix. There are 2 non-zero rows, 1, 2. So we can say the rank is 2. So reduced row echelon form. So the rank of this matrix is 2. So reduced row echelon form of the matrix D. This is an invertible matrix, that's why we are getting the identity matrix as the reduced row echelon form. So we can say the rank is 3 here. Invert C, invert D, C, there is no inverse for this matrix C. That is why we are not in the invert. Thank you.